Namaste. Welcome back to the mathematics session for grade 2. Grade 2, are you ready to learn? I hope so. Students, last time we have learned about the fractions, right? I hope you remember the things which I have taught over there. How to shaded the pictures and how to write the fraction. Shaded pictures one in fraction form. Then after, how to write the number in words. Right? Fraction in words. Then we have learned about additions and subtractions of 2-digit and 3-digit fractions. I hope you have done that work at your home. Now student, let's look back to our questions today one class. Have you looked on chart or not? Okay, fill in the boxes with correct answers. So first one is 1/2. A number. How to write the answers? Answers are written here, okay? A number. 1/2. 1/2 mean 1/2. Have you written? Okay. Second is 2/3. 2/3. Out of 3, 2 parts are shaded. We call it as a 2/3. Now it's time for C number. 1/10. So how to write 1/10? Out of 10 parts, 1 part is shaded. So how to write? How to write? Tell me students. 1/10. Have you written? Okay. Now after C, let's write in D number. D. What is written over there? 1/3. Right. How to write? Out of 3 parts, 1 part is shaded. So write down 1/3. Then after E number, it's written 2/6. How to write 2/6? Out of 6 part, out of 6 parts, 2 parts are shaded. So write down 2/6. Now F number. 3/10. Out of 10 parts, 3 parts are shaded. So how to write? 3/10. These are the answers I have written over here, okay? G number. 2/5. How to write? 2/5. Okay. H number. 1/7. How to write? 1 out of 7 part. 1/7. Now 3/9. Out of 9 part, 3 parts are shaded. So 3/9. Now say number. Out 4/5. Out of 5 parts or 5 parts, 4 parts are shaded. So how to write? 4/5. Okay student, it's K number. It's time for the K number. 3/7. So out of 7 parts, how many parts are shaded over here? It's 3 parts. So 3 part out of 7. Okay, in L number it says 2/7. Have you looked? 2/7. Out of 7 parts, how many parts are shaded? 2 parts. So 2 out of 7. Are you writing also? Okay, please go on writing also, okay. Now, 2 tenth. Out of 10 parts, how many parts are shaded? It's 2 parts. So, 2 out of 10th. 4 seventh, right? How many parts are shaded over here out of 7 parts? 4 parts are shaded. So, you have to write it 4 by 7. 1/4. Out of 4 parts, how many parts are shaded over here? 1 part. So, please write down 1 by 4. Now, it's time for P number. Have a look for P number. 3/5. Out of 5 parts, 3 parts are shaded. So, write down here 3 by 5. Done? Good. Now, here in Q number, 3/8. Out of 8 parts, how many parts are shaded over here? It's 3. So, write down 3 by 8. Okay, student, in our number, what is written over here? 3/6. Out of 6, how many parts are shaded? 3 parts. Then how to write? 3 by 6. Have you written? Okay. Now another. 5/6. How to write? Out of 6 parts, 5 parts are shaded. Last is 5/8. Out of 8 parts, how many parts are shaded? 5 parts. So, how to write? 5 by 8. Have you written? Okay, very good. If you have written this one, then good. If you can solve it by yourself, that will be very much better than before classes. Okay, students. So, we have done reverse, right? How to write the fractions, words into numbers and numbers into words, right? We have practiced, we have done lots of practice on it, right? Now, student, your next question is find 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 of this question of the fraction, half and 1/3 part of the given questions. Okay, so ready to do that one? Okay, see here, find half and 1/3 of the following questions. 1 by 2 of 12 is the first question. You need to find out half and 1/3. This is the main questions. How to find out the half part and 1/3 part, okay? A number 1 by 2 of 12. Now tell me, student, what is the half number of 12? What is the half number of 12? Tell me, students. It's just a 6, right? So, how to write that 6? Let's have a look. So, first of all, let's divide this 12. 12 times 1 means it's only one part. Half mean 1, right? 12 should be divided by 2 and then we will obviously get 6. If we add 6 plus 6, then obviously it will be 12. So, 6 is just half of 12 or not? Yes, 6 is just half of 12, right? Now, if I want to take 1/3 part of 12, then how to do? Let's have a look for this question. half already completed. Half of 12 we have found 6. Now you are going to divide this 12. See here, okay. 12 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 lines in 3 parts, in 3 places or 3 groups we can say. If you want to divide these 12 lines in 3 groups, then we have to write name of the group A, B, C. Okay. Now give this one line over here. This one line here, this one line here. Again this one, again this one, again this one. This line here, this line here and this line here. This here, this here and this here. Now please count the students. How many lines are there in group A? 1, 2, 3, 4. Group A have 4 lines. And what about group B? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again for group C. How many lines are there for group C? 1, 2, 3, 4. So all together, all this group have 4 lines. So that means 12 lines are divided into 3 groups, and for each group are getting 4 lines. Are you getting me? Good. Now, how to write over here? See whether our answers is correct or not. Each group will get 4 or not. Let's have a look. Now this 12 should be divided by 3. Then we will get the 4 as a quotient. That means it's correct. Each of the students or each of the group are getting 4 lines, right? Good job. You are understanding it, right? Please listen to me very carefully. Now next question is for you. Are you ready to solve that next question? Okay, next question is like this. 1 by 2 half of 18. Can you make that 18 lines into half group, into 2 groups? Half group means only 2 groups are there. So can you separate that 18 lines into 2 groups? Let's try it. Okay, let's count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I'm going to separate into 2 groups. 1, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have caught up to 8 lines from down. Let's do it. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Still 2 lines are left. 9, 9. Okay. That means one group have 9 lines and another group also have 9 lines. That means 2 groups are there. Each groups are getting 9 lines. 9 lines getting by one group and another 9 lines is getting by another group. So that means what will be the half of 18? Exactly, it's 9. So how to write the answer? Please write down the answers also. 18 should be divided by 2 groups. So each groups are getting 9 lines. This is the answer. Okay. I hope you are learning. You are enjoying it, right? Now student, next question is for you. If you want these 18 lines exactly into 3 groups, then how to do? Let's arrange that 18 lines into 3 groups. Arrange it fast. Everybody fast. Once again, let's arrange that 18 lines into 3 groups. Ready? Okay, I'm going to draw the line over here. Okay, let's draw another picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Let's give this triangle as a name. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's try it. This is for first group. 1, second group, third group, first group, second group, third group, first, second, third, first, second, third, first, second, third, first, second, third. Now count the number of 1 over there. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, group A is getting 6 triangle. Okay, now group B indicated by 2. So let's count the number 2. How many number 2 are there? 1, can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, group 2 also getting the 6 triangle. Yes. Okay, now group C turn. Let's have a group C turn. Okay, group C means it's number 3. Let's count it. 1, 2, what is 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, group C also getting 6 triangle. Oh my God, see. Each of the groups are getting 6 triangle. Can you see here? Each of the group are getting 6 triangles. That means what? That means 18 triangles are divided into 3 groups, and that 3 groups, each groups are getting 6 triangles. So how to write in the answers form? Let's write it. 18 while divided by the 3 groups, then each group is getting 6 triangle. So you have to write here 6. Okay. Very good. I hope you are understanding it, right? Okay, student. Now next question for you. Next question is half of 30. Let's do it fast. Can you solve it? Can you say me? Okay, now you have to do it by yourself, okay? When you divide 30 into 2 groups, then each group will get how many? 15. Very good. Each group will get 15 lines, 15 apples, 15 bananas, whatever you like to give the example, you can give it. Okay. So student, if that 30 need to be divided into 3 groups, then how to do? Then tell me, each group will get how much? If you need to divide 30 into 3 groups, see, 2 groups are getting 15. Each group are getting 15. If you want to divide that 30 into 3 groups, then they will get more or they will get less. Have a look. When 30 is divided into 3 groups, then each group will get 10. See, if the groups are increases, then number of anything, you can give the example, number of chocolates, number of ice cream, number of marbles, whatever, it will be decreases. If there are less number, only one group, they will get 30. If 2 groups, they will get 15. If there are 3 groups, then obviously they are getting 10. Each groups are getting 10 apples. Done? I hope you understand it, right? And students, you need to go on practicing like this question time and again. Okay. If you practice, then you will get more knowledge on it. You can go on increases on your speed also. You have to practice more and more at your home. Okay, students. Once again, let's have a short review of today's class. So, students, last time assignment, I have given you the answers over here, right? So you can solve that type of questions at your home and you can play with your parents as well. Okay. Now, and then we are learning about how to write the number, fractions number in words and words to the number also. You can reverse it, right? Okay. Then after, how to write the answers in the half of the numbers and half of the groups or 1/3 of the groups. Like this way you can go and continue it for 1/4, 1/5, 2/3, 2/4 and 2/5 as well. Go on practicing, keep on practicing. Stay safely at your home. Have a nice day ahead.